You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. The correct English pronunciation. British English in the UK, sheer, she, with a silent R essentially in the UK, sheer. In American English, however, the R is pronounced R. Therefore, the pronunciation in the United States is as sheer, sheer, sheer. American English, as in the sheer will to succeed, sheer. In British English, sheer. How to pronounce sheer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.